Guys, we're gonna change these rear brakes out and rotors. Brakes. So just get it jacked up, the jack stand, pop this cap off. Alright guys, look at all this. Look at this. Look at these rotors. First thing we're gonna do, guys, remove these caliper bolts, 13 millimeters. Alright guys, we're gonna spray this down, some brake and metal parts clean. Look at that. With 13 millimeter, guys, remove these bolts.
Tripod. I think she'll fit out her like anyway, bro. I think she had her breaking point.
Okay guys, next we're gonna take the caliper bracket off. It's right here. And right there. They're 15 millimeter. Next thing we're gonna remove is this T30 Torx bolt. It's in the front, some WD-40, and in the back. Screw broke off. Alright guys, let's get this on here right now. We got them out now. We can save some of the threads. Let's get this on. So let's put the new rotor on and we're gonna spray it down and clean it. It's so easy for myself. Alright guys, these are 74 foot-pounds. Got the torque wrench here. And we're gonna twist these calipers in. You can use some needle nose pliers. Put them here and twist it in. It should be easy to turn in. I got the special tool. We're gonna turn those in. And finish up, put the brake pads on. Let's say you wanna turn clockwise. It's getting dark on me, so I don't wanna film all this. So we're gonna turn this in clockwise. Put pads on. Okay, I'm using number 7 to go on here.
The headquarters for mosquitoes.